Do you know what is artificial neural networks? Artificial neural networks have greatly improved machine learning. An artificial neural network mimics how the human brain works. It's one of the most popular methods in machine learning today. Imagine a game called Animal, Vegetable, or Mineral to understand neural networks. In this game, players guess an item by asking questions like, does it have fur? Or, is it alive? Each question helps narrow down the possibilities of what the item could be. At the end of the game, players make guesses like, is it a horse? Or, is it a cat? Neural networks work similarly but use numbers instead of questions. They analyze data with millions of small dials, numerical adjustments. Neural networks make specific guesses, like 64% chance it's a cat and 32% chance it's a dog. Neural networks are made of three parts: input layer, output layer, and hidden layers. The input layer is where data is fed into the network, like a picture of a dog. The output layer is where the network makes its final guess. Hidden layers are the layers in between, where the thinking happens. These hidden layers analyze patterns and adjust dials to improve guesses. The neural network doesn't know what the input is at first, it starts with a guess. For example, it might guess there's a 10% chance the picture is of a dog. After guessing, the network compares its guess to the correct label. This process is called training the neural network. The network adjusts its dials, called weights, to improve accuracy. It repeats this process with many pictures to learn patterns in the data. Neural networks look at images as dots and patterns, not as actual objects. For a dog, it analyzes the pattern of dots in the picture to make a guess. Neural networks do not see barking, fur, or panting as humans do. The system relies on patterns in data, not human-like thinking. Training requires huge amounts of data, like hundreds of thousands of pictures. Without lots of data, the network cannot learn or improve its guesses. Neural networks adjust themselves by analyzing data repeatedly. This process allows the network to recognize patterns in new data. Neural networks are very powerful because they can learn from massive datasets. They don't need to be told exactly what to do, they train themselves. The more data a neural network has, the better it performs. These systems are used in real-world applications like image recognition and speech processing. A neural network's intelligence is based on patterns, not understanding. Neural networks play a big role in AI advancements like facial recognition. They can also identify objects in videos and photos with high accuracy. The key benefit of neural networks is their ability to recognize patterns on their own. This ability makes them useful in many fields, from medicine to technology. Despite their power, neural networks need careful training to work well. In summary, artificial neural networks learn by adjusting to patterns in data, becoming smarter as they process more information.